Hey golfers, welcome back to the course. Let's talk irons. These trusty tools are essential for any golfer looking to improve their game. We're going to dive deep into what makes irons so important and how to use them effectively. Irons are the clubs with angled faces, specifically designed to launch the ball with precision and control. Sitting comfortably in your bag between your powerful woods and your finesse wedges, they bridge the gap between distance and accuracy. They're designed for precision, allowing you to dial in your distances and attack the pin. Think approach shots to the green, setting yourself up for birdie opportunities. Mastering your irons is key to consistent scoring. Good iron play sets up birdies and lower scores. It's the foundation of a solid round of golf. You'll use irons on most par 4s, par 5 layups and long par 3s. They are your go-to clubs for navigating the course and positioning yourself for success. Their main job? Get the ball onto or near the green, giving you a chance to roll in that putt. The numbers on irons, like 5, 7 and 9, are more than just labels. They tell you how far and high they go, helping you choose the right club for the distance. Lower numbers go farther, they're your long-distance specialists. Higher numbers go higher but shorter, perfect for those delicate shots over hazards. Most shots on the course aren't booming drives, they're iron shots. These are the bread and butter of your game. Consistent iron play means lower scores, period. It's about control and accuracy, not just raw power. Finesse is the name of the game. Irons help you compress the ball, maximizing energy transfer for a solid, consistent strike. Launching it with spin so it stops on the green, giving you ultimate control over your ball's landing. Forget scooping, hit down and through the ball. This is key to generating spin and controlling your trajectory. We'll break down iron play, simplifying the mechanics and providing you with actionable tips to make it simple and effective so you can start seeing results on the course immediately. Learn to love these clubs. They're your ticket to consistency and lower scores. Their design helps you hit down on the ball, promoting a clean strike and optimal launch conditions, create spin and control your shots, allowing you to shape the ball and attack the pin with confidence. If you want to score consistently and lower your handicap, you need to master your irons. We're going to make iron play easy for you, breaking down the fundamentals and providing you with the tools you need to succeed. Ready to get started and transform your iron game? Let's dive in and transform your iron game. Get ready to hit more greens and lower your scores. Here we go. Let's unlock the secrets to better iron play. First things first, your grip. This is where everything begins. It's the initial point of contact, the foundation upon which your entire swing is built. It's your only connection to the club, so it has to be solid. A loose or incorrect grip can lead to a multitude of problems down the line, affecting your power, accuracy, and overall consistency. Think of it as the steering wheel of a car. You need a firm and confident hold to navigate effectively. There are 3 main grips, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these different styles is crucial to finding what works best for your individual swing and hand size. Varden overlap, also known as the overlapping grip, interlock, where the fingers intertwine, and 10-finger baseball, sometimes called the natural grip. Most pros use overlap or interlock, finding that these grips offer the best blend of control and power for their swings. Find what feels best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and try each grip to see which one naturally fits your hand and allows you to swing comfortably and confidently. For the Varden grip, your lead hand goes on first, establishing a secure base. Then your trail hand's pinky overlaps the lead index finger. This connection helps unify the hands and promotes a more fluid swing. The interlock grip, a favorite of many legendary golfers, used by Tiger Woods and Jack Nicklaus, is a popular choice for those seeking a more connected feel. Has the pinky and index finger interlocked, creating a strong bond between the hands. Interlock can feel more secure, providing a sense of stability throughout the swing, especially for smaller hands. The interlock helps to prevent the club from slipping and allows for greater control. Comfort and control are key. These are the 2 most important factors to consider when choosing your grip. Don't force a grip that feels wrong. A forced grip will only lead to tension and inconsistency in your swing. Grip pressure matters. It's a delicate balance between holding the club securely and allowing your hands and arms to remain relaxed. Don't strangle the club. A death grip will restrict your wrist hinge and limit your power. Hold it like a tube of toothpaste, firm but not tight. You want to be able to feel the club head throughout your swing. Too tight, you lose feel. The club becomes an extension of your tense muscles, not a tool for precision. Too loose, you lose control. The club will wobble in your hands, leading to inconsistent contact and errant shots. Aim for a grip pressure of 4 or 5 out of 10. This allows for a balance of control and freedom in your swing. Relax your hands and arms for a smoother swing. Tension is the enemy of a fluid and powerful golf swing. Experiment with grips and pressure, paying close attention to how each adjustment affects your ball flight and overall feel, until you find your sweet spot. That perfect combination of grip style and pressure that allows you to swing freely and confidently. A good grip sets up everything else in your swing. It influences your club face angle, swing path, and ultimately the direction and distance of your shots. Practice your grip at home. No ball needed. Simply grab your club and focus on perfecting your hand placement and grip pressure. The right grip builds confidence and consistency. When you know your grip is solid, you can focus on other aspects of your swing without worrying about losing control. Don't overlook this step. It's the foundation of great iron play. Mastering your grip is an investment in your long-term golfing success. Get your grip right, and you're on your way. You'll be amazed at how much of a difference a proper grip can make in your game. Let's move on to your stance. Now that we've established a solid foundation with your grip, it's time to address your posture and positioning. Ready? Let's get started on building a stance that complements your grip and sets you up for success. Now let's talk stance. Your setup is your foundation for every iron shot. For mid-irons, feet shoulder width apart, stable and athletic. Ball position slightly forward of center for a 7-iron. Longer irons? Move the ball a bit more forward. Shorter irons, closer to center. This helps you hit down and through the ball. Bend from your hips, not your waist. Keep your spine straight. Let your arms hang naturally with a little knee flex. Feel athletic, not stiff or slouched. Weight should be balanced, about 50-50, maybe a touch more on your lead foot. This keeps you centered and prevents swaying. As you swing, your weight will shift naturally. A consistent setup leads to consistent shots. Check your stance before every shot. Make it a habit. Good posture and balance are key for solid contact. Nail your setup and you're halfway to a great iron shot. Let's get into club selection next. Onward. Choosing the right iron. It's a crucial decision that can significantly impact your score on the golf course. It's about more than just grabbing a club. It's about understanding the nuances of each iron and how it performs in different situations. Doesn't have to be complicated. With a little knowledge and practice, you can simplify the process and make smarter choices. Lower numbered irons, though. These are your distance clubs designed to launch the ball further down the fairway. 3, 4, 5 go farther and lower. They're ideal for long approaches and tee shots on par 3s where distance is key. Higher numbers, 8, 9, PW, go higher and shorter. These are your precision clubs. Perfect for attacking the pin and navigating tricky greenside situations. Know your distances. Understanding how far you hit each iron is fundamental. Hit each iron at the range. This is where you build your knowledge base and record your average carry. Keep a detailed log of your distances for future reference. Carry distance matters more than total distance, especially when planning your approach shots, especially for clearing hazards. You need to know the minimum distance the ball needs to travel in the air. Keep your distance chart handy on the course. It's a valuable tool for making informed decisions under pressure. Consider wind. Into the wind. Use more club. The wind can significantly shorten your shot. Downwind, use less. The wind can carry your ball much further than normal. Think about the green. The shape and slope of the green will influence your club selection. Front pin needs a higher shot to stop the ball quickly. Back pin may need a lower running shot. This allows the ball to roll out and get closer to the hole. Don't just aim for the flag. Consider the surrounding hazards and the overall shape of the green. Sometimes center of the green is smarter. It's a safe play that minimizes risk and keeps you in the game. Shot shape and conditions matter. Are you trying to draw or fade the ball? Is the ground firm or soft? Adjust your club choice accordingly. Adapt to the situation and make the best decision based on the available information. Practice club selection to build confidence. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with your choices. Smart choices save strokes. They lead to better scores and a more enjoyable round of golf. With experience, picking the right iron becomes second nature. It's all about developing a feel for the game and trusting your instincts. Don't overthink, trust your prep and the information you've gathered, and commit to your choice. Hesitation can lead to poor execution. The right club makes every shot easier. It sets you up for success and allows you to swing with confidence. Make club selection part of your pre-shot routine. This will help you stay consistent and make better decisions under pressure. It's a puzzle, but you'll solve it with practice. The more you play, the better you'll become at understanding the nuances of club selection. Good decisions lead to better scores. So take your time, assess the situation, and choose wisely. Next, let's talk about the swing itself, because even the best club selection won't matter if you don't execute the shot properly. Ready to move? Let's go! Let's break down the swing. Starting with the takeaway, move your arms, hands, and shoulders together, smooth and connected. Keep the club head low and outside your hands at first. Don't roll your wrists early. Keep the club face square to the ball. A good takeaway sets up the rest of your swing. As you continue back, hinge your wrists naturally. Turn your shoulders more than your hips. Feel a coil like a spring. Don't force the backswing. Let it flow. And at the top, you should feel balanced. Weight mostly on your trail leg. Avoid swaying off the ball. Stay centered. The club should be parallel to the ground, pointing at or just inside your target line. Don't overswing. The controlled backswing is better for irons. Focus on smoothness, not speed. A solid backswing leads to pure contact. Practice slow motion takeaways to groove the move. Consistency here pays off big time. Next up, the downswing and making pure contact. Let's keep going. Now for the downswing power and pure contact. Start the downswing from the ground up shift weight to your lead foot. Let your hips unwind first, then your arms and club follow. Maintain wrist hinge as you drop the club into the slot. Don't cast, keep that lag for power and accuracy. Pull the club down, don't hit at the ball with your hands. At impact, hands ahead of the club head, hit ball first, then ground. This compresses the ball for a crisp strike. Weight mostly on your lead foot, head steady. Swing through to a balanced finish, chest and belt buckle facing the target. Hold your finish balance means you've swung well. Pure contact is all about sequence and control. Practice this move for better iron shots. Let's level up with some pro secrets. Want to hit irons like the KLPGA pros? Here are their secrets. Rhythm is everything. Swing smooth, not hard. Many pros hum or count to keep tempo. Try it. Balance is key. Practice swings on one leg or with feet together. Strong core, better shots. Smart course management, aim for the center of the green, not always the pin. Play safe. Avoid big mistakes. Practice with purpose. Use drills like the 9-shot drill, high, medium, low draw, fade straight. Build feel and control with every session. Don't just hit balls, work on specific skills. Pro habits lead to pro results. Try these tips and watch your iron game soar. Next, let's fix common mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes with irons. Let's fix the big ones. Fat shots, hitting ground before ball, usually from weight too far back or trying to scoop. Fix. Check ball position, shift weight to lead side and hit down and through. Try the towel drill, place a towel behind the ball and avoid hitting it. Thin shots, topping the ball often from lifting your head or straightening up too soon. Fix. Keep your chest over the ball. Maintain spine angle and focus on a spot just in front of the ball. Practice hitting that spot after the ball for a descending blow. Both mistakes need patience and practice to correct. Stay down through the shot for better contact. Small adjustments make a big difference. Don't get discouraged. Everyone struggles at first. Keep working these fixes into your practice. Let's talk about practicing like a pro. Well, now it's time to practice. This is where you become an iron master. Don't just hit balls, have a plan. Start with short irons. Focus on solid contact and targets. Work up to mid-irons and long irons, always with a purpose. Use alignment sticks for target and foot lines. Good aim is fundamental. Every shot should have a target and intention. Try KLPGA drills, 9-shot drill, balance drills. Be patient, progress takes time. Celebrate small wins and keep learning. Consistent practice leads to consistent results. Good days and bad days are part of the journey. Enjoy the process and improvement. Mastering irons is a journey. Stick with it. Go get 'em.